Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Docker Engine is installed and accessible. Run Docker version to confirm. Next, create a minimal Docker file and Docker ignore so your image stays lean. Use a stable base image that matches your runtime, set workdir, copy only what you need, and run build steps like npm install or pip install. Once done, expose the port your app uses and define a simple CMD or entry point so the container can start automatically. You now build and tag your image clearly so deployments track versions. Run docker build tmyapp 1, 0, and verify the output. Once the image exists, run it locally with port mapping and any envvars you need. Use docker run p8080, 80e env equals prod rm for quick validation. Make sure to test endpoints and inspect logs with Docker logs or connect into the container via Docker execut to debug. When satisfied, push to a registry. You finish by tagging and pushing the image to your registry, then deploying with Docker Compose or your orchestrator of choice. Make sure volumes and networks are configured and restart policies set. Once deployed, confirm the service reaches healthy state and responds on intended ports. If things go wrong, check environment variables, bind mounts, and file permissions first. As a key troubleshooting tip, always inspect container logs and the health check output. They reveal startup failures and missing dependencies quickly, so you can iterate fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.